chase. They did it calmly. They were very assured, led by the captain. 87 from 41. And an innings to remember this. We've seen 2.5 months of cricket in the IPL. This will be the standout innings when it comes to playing under pressure in front of a massive crowd against a champion team, and then to pull it off. Don't forget, he was the winning captain last year. He captained KKR into the final, and now again into the final in consecutive years for a new team, new franchise, and with a chance of winning it for the first time. Yes, a terrific performance, Hardik Pandya. Hardik, tough luck today, but you have to give credit with the way Punjab Kings played in that chase, the calmness and composure.
Yeah, definitely. Especially Shreyas, the way he batted, he took his chances, and some of the shots which he played was really outstanding. And I think, they definitely batted really well.
You think 203 was par for the course, or you fell short?
I think it was par, but it needed some really great execution as a bowling unit, which I think in all these big games it really matters. And I think as I mentioned, they were really, really calm, and they put us under pressure, and I think we were not able to execute the way we wanted.
What did you make of the pitch? Because when Punjab Kings bowled, they bowled a lot of slower stuff. They took pace of the ball. Did it get better, or your tactics were to do something different?
I don't think I'll not put it on the wicket. If we had to do something better, it was maybe someone bowling right lengths, or maybe right bowler at the right point. And I'm someone who likes to take all on me, so maybe I could have done it really little better, managed my troops a little better, and the result could have been a little different.
Hardik Karthikeya, commiserations firstly, but around the 17th over when 41 runs were required, was there ever an idea which came into your head that maybe Bumrah can bowl this over, make things tougher for the opposition, and then the other bowlers can take over?
When was it? 24 ball 41 you said, or 18th 41?
The 17th over which was bowled by Trent Boult.
You see, it's on the high end side. It would have been different, but I think it would have been little maybe too early as well. Boom, knowing I think in the situation, even if 18 balls are left, Jassi can be Jassi and he can do something special. It just didn't happen today.
Well, tough luck, Hardik. It's been a good tournament. It's another playoff. Unfortunately, it's the better team that wins today.
Thank you.
As Punjab Kings upstaging the Mumbai Indians, and winning the game today and reaching their second final after 11 years, with a chance of winning their first title, as will be the case with the Royal Challengers from Bengaluru. So the Reds will go head to head on Tuesday night. Yes, it was a good batting performance. I thought the partnership was very good between Shreyas and Nehal. Yes, Nehal Vadera, 40 from 29. You'll be mighty pleased with that effort. You struck the ball beautifully.
Yes, thank you, sir. I mean, I just wait for such games, and I couldn't be more eager to, I couldn't be more eager